This is feedback for Samira on WR1 essay. First of all, you should not write your name on here. You need to have a title that tells me what this paper is about. Take off the first few numbers of your ID. They shouldn't be there. Also, looking at your intro, I was saying there's no flow, meaning it doesn't go from one point to the next point easily. You kind of like chop it up. So here you're saying smoking is an addictive habit known to mankind. Why? Right? Your intro should answer the question like why. Many people are smoking. Why? Because, it's a cool thing, because, they see a lot of people doing it, because a lot of parents are doing it. Maybe a lot of people are getting stressed out. Okay, I'm sorry. No. Change that. But what's happening? Because your essay is talking about the causes. So you could talk about just addiction in general. Like people are addicted to many things. And then you can go into how, what are some of the things they're addicted in. Then you can go into specifically into smoking. And then you could go into the effects. And so make those changes to the intro. And then with the body, this is way too short. So again, just like yesterday, you need to explain, tell me why, and make your topic sentence, and then give me a point, support, point, support, point, support, concluding sentence, and transitions throughout. Okay? Making connections, explaining how and why. Explain how and why. Right? That's what the examples do. And that will make this a lot longer. Here in the second body paragraph, this little arrow means the word is missing here. This is advice, and I think it should be in the conclusion. Same with this. It's not something that you put in your body paragraphs. So use that format like I was doing in class yesterday, and I'm sure your essay will be a lot better. Looking at the conclusion, again, the conclusion, you're not using words like, for example, in the conclusion, you're using more general statements. People should, when someone does something wrong, parents should advise them. But how? That's what this is. That's what your conclusion should do. Explain how will the parents advise them, and how will they, watch who their company is. Give examples, be specific. Not too specific, but give advice. Make those changes, upload into Port 1 WR1 week 7.